Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1998 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram shown. It's a MOSFET amplifier. In the MOSFET amplifier shown, the signal output V1 and V2 obey the relationship between V1 and V2 that we are going to calculate. Okay, so we are going to calculate V1 and V2 in terms of AC. For AC this will be treated as ground, and for AC this is also ground. So there is a drain current is flowing through this one. ID is the drain current. The same drain current is also flows through the source also, so that ID flows in both resistances RD as well as RD by 2. So by that time V1, if you assume V1 is nothing but voltage from this node drain. This is drain and it is source. V1 is going to be voltage from drain to ground. So V1 can be written as drain to ground is nothing but, you can think, from this point to ground as you are moving upwards, but the current direction is reverse, so you can write it as minus IDRD. Minus IDRD is for V1, voltage from drain to ground, but the drain current is flowing in opposite direction, so that V1 is minus IDRD. And if you are going for V2, V2 is nothing but voltage from source to ground, and current is flowing in the same direction. Okay, higher voltage to lower voltage current flows, so this is the direction is also following the same. So V2 can be written as V2 is equal to ID times of RD by 2. So IDRD is nothing but V1, so V2 can be written as minus V1 by 2, or V1 is equal to minus 2 times of V2. So the right answer for this question is V1 is equal to minus 2V2. D is the right answer. Thank you.